Every bite of food you eat sets off an extraordinary journey inside your body. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth crush and grind food into smaller pieces. Mechanical digestion. Parotid gland secretes saliva rich in enzymes. Submandibular gland, major contributor to resting saliva. Sublingual gland, plus salivary amylase that begins starch breakdown into maltose. The tongue rolls the food into a bolus and pushes it toward the throat. Serous cells produce digestive enzymes like amylase. Mucus cells secrete mucus for lubrication. The pharynx directs food into the esophagus. The epiglottis closes the windpipe to prevent choking. Food moves through the esophagus by peristalsis, wave-like muscular contractions. The stomach is a muscular sac that churns food and mixes it with gastric juice. Food is converted into chyme, a semi-liquid mixture ready for the intestine. Mucus cells protect the stomach lining from acid. Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid, killing bacteria and activating pepsin, and intrinsic factor for vitamin B12 absorption. Chief cells release pepsinogen, which becomes pepsin to digest proteins. G cells produce gastrin to stimulate acid production. Chyme then moves into the small intestine for the bulk of digestion and absorption. Duodenum receives bile from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreatic juices to continue chemical digestion. Jejunum, the main site where most nutrients are absorbed. Ileum absorbs vitamin B12 and recycles bile salts. Pancreas supplies amylase, lipase, and proteases like trypsin. Bile emulsifies fats to aid lipase action. Enterocytes absorb nutrients via villi and microvilli. Goblet cells make mucus. Paneth cells secrete antimicrobials. Enteroendocrine cells release hormones like secretin and CCK. Stem cells regenerate the lining. Liver produces bile, detoxifies blood, and stores glycogen. Gallbladder stores bile. Pancreas produces enzymes and bicarbonate. Hepatocytes, Acinar cells, and islets of Langerhans perform these functions. Large intestine absorbs water, electrolytes, and vitamins made by gut bacteria, forming solid stool. Waste exits via the anus under control of internal and external sphincters. And that is the incredible journey of digestion, from your first bite to elimination. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments which system we should explore next.